Hello and welcome to kiiff.com. This video we're going to be creating FTP accounts and managing FTP connections. So the first thing is we start here in cPanel, and right at the top under Files we have two options. We have FTP accounts and we have FTP connections. We'll go through each one, but essentially FTP connections is where you manage the accounts that you create. So the first thing we'll do is create an FTP account. We'll click into it, and we're prompted to fill out this form before creating the account. The first form is, or the first field is login, and you can think of this as kind of like a username. So in this case, I'll just put an example name. And then our next option is to choose the domain name, which in this case we want kiiff.org. And then we can set a password for the account. So I will just use a password generator. And of course, for security reasons, it's wise to generate a password, whether it be through this feature in cPanel or through an external application. Always want to have secure passwords, and make sure, of course, that you store them in a secure location. Finally, the directory field is the directory that the account has access to. So in our case, we want to have this example account. We want to give it root access. So we'll delete that, and now the account has access to everything within that folder. Alright, and the last thing to do is set the quota or leave it to unlimited. In this case, for the tutorial, we will just leave it at unlimited. So we create the FTP account, and we can see down below that it was created successfully, and now we can give out the credentials for this account without giving out the root, which you can also see down here in the special FTP accounts area that we have kiiff.org. This is the root account that gets created when you order a hosting package, and the logs one also gets created by default. So if we go back into FTP connections here, and if we were to log in through that example account on programs like FileZilla, we would see it right here, and it would show as active if we just pressed reload. This only shows FTP connections that are currently active to your account. So if this doesn't show anything in the past, you'll only be able to see what is currently, what connections are currently established. That's it for this video on FTP connections. Thanks for watching.